Yeah man, big up Leedam again, you know. Now we there. Hospital we there with the baby mother, you know. Show the baby mother them support. Big up all of the real father them. We are show the baby mother them support. Today our Sunday visiting hours now. About 100 baby mother there. How much baby father? About 15. Where the baby father them there? Man, them need to know say the baby mother them they want the father them support. Them want them juice. Them want them ripe banana and them fruits and them thing there, you see me? Some of the nigga them just want to breed up the human them and left them alone. Not true, mama? Big up all of the real father them, you see me? Yeah. We there for 7 days a week, we there. We left work, we there same way, you see me? Wort this father, when go take care of the youth, support the baby mother them, don't grow and breed up the human them, bridging and not help them out. Right now we there, you see me? Baby mother them need the father them support. Mentally and physically, you see me? Brother, you come link up on the baby mother now. On the road that show off about friend but not how much baby mother. I don't support them, I don't support the youth them. Big up my first daughter, Sylvia. She have 5. Next one this. We there, we not left none of them. A real baby father. I work same way, you know who there? Need cash now, boss. Big song, Leedam with there. Big up.